I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she working magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
What up? What up? So, today we're not really doing a vlog. None of my shit. Pause. Yeah, so as I was saying, we ain't doing no vlog today of my stuff. It's just a little quick video. My boy Perez just picked up like a 1978 Corolla or something like that. Something cool like that. I ain't never even seen one in person, so I'm about to go over here and hang with him for a little bit. Check out his car. I ain't gonna vlog too much because it's his car. I know he gonna probably try to put a video out too, but I just ain't never seen one. So we're gonna look at it, probably ride in it, and go look at the garage for the storage. So that's pretty much it. It's gonna be quick. I'm not gonna do all that talk. I'll start the car, but I'm not standing behind it. It's cold today. So give me 1 sec. My favorite part right now. Cheese. But yeah, it ain't even really cold in my garage, so I knew it was gonna be that loud. But if I get on the road, and then I'll check back in when I get out there. So. Rotary. Loud. Yeah. And it's a Porsche GT3 over there too. God damn. Florida make you get your money up, boy. Hey, I ain't no 350Z fan or 370, but that shit cold. Look at his exhaust. Wide body too. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, this is my new whip. Is that the gas tank in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it got wires for a stereo and shit?
They was trying to hook up a stereo. I got 2 little JL audio speakers in the back. I'm gonna have to fix all that.
She talking about that shit won't fit. She crazy.
It should. It ain't that big.
I like this. What is that? That's dope,
that, bro.
I like this. Okay, it's cool in person. Alright. I'll give you that. It's dope. This steering wheel came with it?
Yeah, that's not the original one though.
Wow.
Just like these rims ain't original. It's clean though. They kept it
It
clean.
is. It's clean as hell.
No cracks in the dash.
The AC and shit work?
It ain't got no AC. It's got a heater.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's too old for that.
Yeah.
That's where the gas cap is.
Let's do it.
Honestly, I don't even know which key opens it, so let's check it out.
Man, everybody do got dogs out here. Well, you know this old school. My boy got a key for the gas cap.
Let me see. I'm trying to figure it out. Just in case I wanted to put diesel in that bitch.
None of them open? It wiggled a little bit on that first one.
I don't know how this fucking works, bro.
There it is. Wow.
Well, I'll be damned.
Wow. Nah, this in good shape. What year is this?
Can I use the same key? These two keys are the same? This is 79.
It's cool. I ain't never seen one of these before.
Never?
Never. We ain't got these in Alabama. All we got is Mustangs.
Oh, bro. Use the same fucking key. Why do you got 3 keys?
Spares.
One of them, I honestly don't know what it's doing.
These seats clean as hell. It got a. Oh wait. Wow.
It's a lot of horses in there.
Bro, you can pick that engine up by hand.
Nah, man.
That's crazy.
It's too strong, man. You can't lift it.
Look how simple this shit is compared to new shit.
4 gears of hell, boy.
But you can reach all the transmission shit from up here.
It's pretty dope, huh?
Is that the oil filter right there? Or
Yeah.
fuel filter?
No.
I think it's fuel.
I'm not too sure, bro. But I'm gonna figure it out.
That's crazy.
It might be the oil filter, bro.
Carbureted.
Yeah, man. Bro, no leaks, no nothing. Drove smooth the whole fucking way.
For the age, this shit cool. Real cool.
You see, it's got CIC on this shit, so it don't rust.
What? Is that the brown stuff?
Brown stuff. That so it doesn't rust up. That's CIC. We use that shit on airplanes.
New battery.
Yeah. Probably gotta flush all these fluids out and all this shit.
I don't know. Look how clean the washer fluid and shit look.
Yeah, that's that. The brake fluid and shit.
That shit gonna be brown though as soon as you put new fluid in it though. Nah, for a 79, 78, whatever it is, that shit.
79, bro. They put fucking LEDs in the headlights. They updated that a little bit.
Put some black tint on this thing.
My dad wants me to fishbowl it. He's like, you want people to see you in that motherfucker.
I need 5% on everything.
Alright, man, let's head over there, dog.
Alright. That car cool. I ain't never seen one of these. Me and Perez pretty opposite when it comes to cars. He like the tuner stuff and I guess kind of JDM and shit like that. He like rotors and stuff, which is dope. You know, everybody don't need to be in the Mustangs and fucking American Muscle and shit. Some variety. Pretty chill. He was excited about it. He was telling me about this shit. Little motherfucker clean. 79? That's crazy. Bro, shut up. I know I ain't got no seatbelt on. It's nice though.
So now when you get the title with the plates, are you going to get antique?
I don't know. I might just do a
Antique.
disabled veteran just because it's free.
Antique will be free too.
It's
Yeah.
free for antique?
Yeah, I think so.
Even if it's not, it's gonna be like $20.
But I know
Yeah,
for
because
antique.
it's over. What year is this?
79. Yeah.
Oh no, you got to do antique because people will be very careful.
Well, I know
It's cheap though. It's super cheap.
for antique,
Yeah.
though, I think you gotta stay.
Alright, y'all. I'm back home now. That's pretty much it for this one. There wasn't too much going on. You know, me and Perez, we put the car in the storage and it barely fit. Bro had like fucking 2-3 inches of spare, but it fit. He got a spot for it because I mean that's a pretty cool little car. He didn't want to keep it outside. Shit in case it gets stolen. But Yeah, Ben's back home, tucked in, safe. Still got these for sale. Still got these for sale. I do 40 for all of these, the wind visors. They like fucking 100 or 200 new, and then still 600 OBO for those. OBO, so I like actually will negotiate. Please look, if y'all interested, don't hit me up talking about what's the lowest I take. I'm not broke, bro. I don't have to sell these shits. I'm not. So I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, I'll take $200. I'll take. No, if you're interested, let me step back in my life. If you're interested, come here, look at them, offer me some cheese, and we'll go from there. I'm not finna be doing all that shit. Y'all kill me fucking messaging me talking about what's the lowest you'll take. Stop playing with me. I'm not doing it. But yeah, man, that's it. Car running good. It's getting kind of cold out here. It's like 50 degrees out here at night right now, and this bitch spinning. You don't need new tires. This bitch spinning bad, like to the point. I turn sport or traction on. You take off from a light, it's like doing the goddamn burnout, rolling burnout. So I see the difference now, bro. I ain't gonna cap. When I had them R888s on them, I damn near thought this motherfucker was like low on compression because it wouldn't spin them like I thought it would. But the RS3s ain't quite as sticky as the R888, so they spin. They way better in the rain though. But yeah, they spin. So, but yeah, that's it. That's my boy 79 Corolla. He been talking to me about that shit for a minute, so I'm glad he cashed out and got him something so we can do car shit now. Cause he needed him something, man. But yeah, it pretty much. Also, that car is rear wheel drive, so that's pretty cool. He planning on putting like a fucking either a rotor in it. A 2J is an option, a RB is an option, or he could do like a motor from an 86 Corolla in there. So he got a bunch of options and shit. But we're gonna see what he gonna do with it. It's clean as hell. I know for sure he gonna do like some little wide flares and some wheels and shit. So I'm excited to see what he do with it. I told him put some 5% tint on that thing, but I think he might fishbowl it. But yeah, cool little car, man. So this is a little short video. And my bad in the beginning. For them clips on the highway where like the little string was in the way of the camera and shit. I was doing like a $140, well, for internet purposes. I was doing the speed limit, but it came up, I came up on like a car. So it was kind of, I had to hurry up and switch. And then the exposure was set too high because it was like, I still had it set like I was in my garage. But yeah, I be mobbing on the highway, bro. This thing is perfect for that, so. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. She in for the night. I'm about to go up here and do some homework, go to class. I got some football stuff to do tomorrow, so. I know y'all still waiting on the giveaway shit, but I gotta wait. I got one more test. I got like unit 4 in Spanish class to complete, so that is what I gotta do right now. But other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification bells on, as always. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting, diamonds on me fleeting. Bad bitch with me freaking. Fuck that bitch this evening. Fuck that bitch, then leave her. 21 Savage don't need you. Dog nigga hoe mistreat her. 2 cell phone, sell dope, no beep.
They motherfuckers so Memphis right here. Yeah. Hey, I just fucked 2 sisters, real life, same bed. One thing they know about me, they know I keep one in their head. I got good weed rolled up and some raw. Believe nothing that you heard and half of what you saw. Be your own boss, be your own shooter.